Hello everyone, here are the latest market news on March the 31st, 2020. China's factory activity jumps in March. Factory activity in China unexpectedly expanded in March from a collapse the month before, but analysts caution that such recovery may be just temporary as the global coronavirus crisis has a negative impact on foreign demand and threatens a steep economic slump. China's official Purchasing Managers Index rose to 52 in March from a plunge to a record low 35.7 in February, the National Bureau of Statistics said on Tuesday. This rate is above the 50-point mark that separates monthly growth from contraction and also surpassing an analyst's estimate of 45.0. The NBS attributed the surprise rebound in PMI to its record low base in February and cautioned that the readings do not signal a stabilization in economic activity. Ford Motor plans to produce 50,000 ventilators. Ford Motor Co. reported it will produce 50,000 ventilators within the next 100 days at a plant in Michigan in cooperation with General Electric's healthcare unit and can then build 30,000 per month as needed to treat patients afflicted with the coronavirus. Ford said the simplified ventilator design, which is licensed by GE Healthcare from Florida-based Aaron Corp and has been cleared by the Food and Drug Administration, can meet the needs of most COVID-19 patients and relies on air pressure without the need for electricity. According to the company, it plans to begin production of ventilators at a plant in Ypsilanti, Michigan, deploying 500 United Auto Workers employees. Meanwhile, GM said it's set to produce up to 10,000 ventilators a month by this summer at a plant in Kokomo, Indiana. French annual inflation hit the lowest since 2016. The French annual inflation rate fell more than expected in March to hit its lowest level since late 2016 as a government-imposed lockdown sharply restricted economic activity, data from the INSEE official statistics agency showed on Tuesday. The inflation fell short of the 1.1% expectation, also decreasing from 1.6% in February, and marked the lowest since November 2016. The drop was driven by a plunge in energy prices and lower prices for manufactured goods. Meanwhile, consumer prices were unchanged in March for the second month in a row, given an annual rate for the month of only 0.7%, according to a preliminary reading of European Union harmonized data from INSEE. INSEE estimated last week that the economy was operating at two-thirds of its normal level, which was likely to knock 3 percentage points of growth for each month in lockdown. Dominic becomes new Domino's Pizza CEO. Britain's largest pizza delivery company, Domino's Pizza Group, on Tuesday named former head of Costa Coffee Dominic Paul as its new chief executive officer, replacing David Wild, whose departure was announced last year. Paul, who led Costa Coffee from 2016 to 2019 ahead of its £3.9 billion, $4.82 billion sale to Coca-Cola last year, will join Domino's on May the 1st. He has also worked with the Royal Caribbean Cruise Line as Senior Vice President International and held senior roles at EasyJet, British Midland and British Airways. The new management will be tasked with overseeing the sale of the company's loss-making international operations and resolving a profit-sharing role with its franchisees.